How's it going, guys? My name is Brandon, and we are here at the AVerMedia booth, but I have someone to introduce you. You see him in the background. Please tell them how amazing you are, who you are, and let's make this connection.
All right, so hi guys, my name is Ricardo. I am the partnerships manager for AVerMedia.
Listen, if you need to know if AVerMedia is going to take care of you or not, Ricardo's got you. Let me just say that the brand's got you. All of their team, they are fantastic. They have been lovely here at the booth. And the amount of gear that they have here, not only that, but that they're selling like on sale. It's crazy. But I have to show you, before you like understand what's about to happen, there's a product that we're going to talk to you about that they're releasing beginning of next year-ish, okay?
Yeah.
Game changer. It's ridiculously crazy. But I got to start with something that's coming out in a week.
Yep, in a
Right?
week. Yeah,
All right.
some days.
All right, so tell us about this microphone.
All right, so this is an USB-C cardioid microphone that is going to be launched. This is an entry-level microphone, right?
Right.
This is a plug-and-play, no software required. Pick up the sound from the front, and it also has like an internal pop filter, right?
Right.
It's all metal like materials, so really sturdy, and it's really cheap. It's going to be MSRP is going to be $69, right?
Nice.
Here at the con you can get it for $65 before the launch.
Nice.
The other cool product that's going to have together with this microphone is going to be this boom arm. As you can see here, this is a very sturdy boom arm. That's the box over there. So if you get it that size. That one on the corner right there.
Yeah, yep.
Yes, this boom arm, the price for the con is going to be $70, but the everyday price online is going to be $99, which is also a very great entry-level price.
Yeah, totally.
If you can see here, it does goes really flexible over here, and it does has like a rotating ball over here, right? It makes the rotation really easy.
Yeah, and
All
it's
over.
metal too.
And
We're
it's
not talking about
metal
plastic.
too. Yes, and it's metal too. It's like a C-clamp over there. Right now the table is a little bit wobbly, but yeah, it is all metal. This is not
Yes.
plastic, so you're getting quality over here.
Yeah, and that's the big thing is the fact that it's metal. You know, so many of these things they're just plastic, and what's the durability long term, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Not only that, you know, they have this suite of capture cards here. I mean, obviously we've got Live Gamer 2.1 here, the GC515. This thing is really cool. You need to check out my review on that. Obviously we got Live Gamer 4K, the PCIe 2.1 card, which that's, in my opinion, I love this one, but just getting it in your PC is so cool. We've got the 515 right here, which is also over there on their really cool setup. And then this camera.
Oh, yeah.
I have yet to look at this one, but please tell us about this
All
one.
right, so this is a PW313D dual webcam, right? So
Right.
the amazing thing, the different of this, right, is this one over here is fixed, whereas this one over there, it rotates.
No way. So you're talking about like desk shots?
Yeah, exactly.
Any
So
kind of stuff.
unboxing, you know, if you do
Yeah.
crafting, if you do, and on OBS, what you can do is to set up two sources, right? One source for the left webcam,
Right.
one source for the right one.
And it's no problem. They're
There
fully
is no
separated.
Fully separate
It's just
webcams.
two webcams
It
in
is
one
two
device.
webcams in one device, and one rotates, so you can have
that's-
two shots.
That's
Right.
crazy, brother. Look at that. And as you can see that, he's obviously moving it right here.
Yeah.
Really good color quality too. I mean, this looks really nice, and you can see like hello. One's upside down, obviously, because you
Yeah.
flipped it for some overhead stuff.
Right.
Really
so,
cool.
Yeah.
Let's keep going around. There's just we don't want to interrupt the people who are here at the
That's
booth,
okay,
right?
that's okay. Yeah, we
But we've
can
got
show you
some
from
really
here.
cool stuff over here. Here's the
Yeah.
GC515 connected to a Legion. I think it's a ROG Ally tablet,
ROG Ally,
right?
yes. ROG Ally over
Yeah.
here, as you can see, the one-click recording capabilities that it has.
Yeah.
One click and you're recording into an SD card.
That's the coolest thing.
Yeah.
Now, listen, we've got a new product releasing. And let me just go ahead and tell you, AVerMedia is releasing something that I am stupid excited about, because one of the biggest gripes I have is gear. Sometimes when you're traveling, like I'm at TwitchCon right now, and I'm sure that you also travel with like a ridiculous amount of gear, right?
Mm-hmm.
I traveled with an entire book bag of just camera stuff. And I had to have my huge, massive charger for my MacBook and all of that. But you just solved it. Tell us about this Elite Pro.
All right, what do you think this is?
Well,
Let
it
me
looks
ask.
like
At
a
first
charger,
impression,
right?
If I show you this, yeah, a charges multiple devices, right?
Yeah, nothing crazy.
Nothing
Just
crazy.
a brick,
It's
yeah.
yes, it's a brick.
yeah.
It's a brick. What if I told you this is a charger, but it's also a capture card?
Yeah, you're lying.
This is also a capture. Come on in. You can see here, this charger right now, over here, is powering the laptop, the gaming laptop. It's powering the tablet over here. It's connected to Type-C devices, all Type-C devices, and it's also capturing on OBS.
No, it's not. So
It
here's
is.
the tablet, right? This is the tablet with the
Look
feed.
at it. Yeah.
There's the actual feed in OBS on a completely separate laptop,
And
all powered
it's-
with.
And it's displaying the image into the monitor.
No way. You mind if I hold it?
Of course.
Look at this, guys.
It also has like an extra USB-A port in case you want to plug in, let's say, a controller, a mouse, a keyboard, whatever, any accessory supported by the device you connect to it, by
Yeah.
the source, it works. So this works with any type C device. It could be a handheld console, it can be a tablet, a phone, whatever type C device you can imagine, it
Yeah.
works with it.
Yeah.
It captures 1080p 60 and it passes through 4K 60, which is gonna be great because next year Nintendo Switch 2 is going to be launched. Right?
That is
And that is going to be
crazy.
supporting 4K passes for the first time.
Yes.
It's future proof, baby. This is gonna be future proof.
I love it. I love it. And here's the thing about that. When does this release again? What are we talking about again? One more time.
Early next year.
Early next year.
Yes.
Listen, I carry a MacBook charger, I carry cables, I carry everything. Listen, once again, look, it's one device, guys. Look, HDMI pass through, USB-C through display alt technology. Brother, let me just tell you, if you haven't figured out yet, okay, GC515, this thing, okay, Elite Pro, they're literally thinking, how do I solve problems that we haven't even thought of yet? Brother. Man, this is beautiful. Listen, I think if you're someone who's looking at someone who's innovating in the market today, and if you're not looking at AVerMedia, you're not looking at what's currently happening, because they're literally taking the thoughts of what you guys are doing, and this guy's like mixing in a lab and going, you know what? I think we got you.
And I think we do.
If you want to make sure you connect with them, check down in the description. I've got a link for you to go check out. There is a coupon code, all of that stuff for you to be able to pick up that stuff. Guys, thank you so much. Love you all. We'll see you in the next video. Check the links in the description. Don't go pay full price for something when I've got a code for it, guys. Love you. Have a good day.